Welcome to my channel, and look what I've got today. It's a fresh whelks. They are still alive, and if you touch them you can see that they still moving a little bit. And I will show you traditional English way of cooking them. You see they are still alive. Before I show you how Asian people cook this kind of whelks, but today it will be British style. And look, they've got actinia as well. So this actinia is tasty if you cook it properly. If you cook it properly, it's absolutely delicious as well and very nice. So I will show you how to cook it. But first of all, let's check what's the weight of this whelk. So let's tape this empty jar and okay, it's 1 kilo 100 grams. I think it's a little bit of water here. Yes, if you drain some water, it will be exactly 1 kilo 100 grams. And I will show you how to boil them. Okay, my water is boiling and I will add a lot of salt. It doesn't matter how many salt you add, salt will not go inside. And now add snail and we will boil them 5 minutes, no more. That's it, I will be back in 5 minutes. Okay, I've boiled them for 5 minutes and they are ready, and I will put them into ice cold water now. Let's do it. Look, I've put them into the cold water. That's it, let's chill them down. Okay, they've boiled, and now because I've put them into the cold water, it's very easy to remove them from the shell. Just use any stick and just pull it out. That's it, as easy as that. Now you need to remove this and beat with all the internal organs like liver and that and throw it away. And only use this leg and also remove this cup. That's it. This is how we've cleaned it. And usually in English tradition they do not remove this pipe. I will remove this pipe later on when we do. And then traditionally you take this whelks, you even don't remove this pipe, you can eat it like that. Then put in some vinegar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and you can eat it. And it is amazing. And you can add a little bit of lava bread and eat it, and it will be even more tasty. I will prefer to remove this internal pipe. It will be much more tasty and less chewy, and you remove potentially poison bit. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video. Thank you, bye.